Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about this pet grooming kit, so let's get it open so I can show you guys everything that comes inside. Alright you guys, I finally finished unpacking all of this and there's so much to show you guys. So first of all, this is the actual machine right here. Check out the size of this tank. It's definitely going to hold some fur, and we have 3 pets here at home, so it's definitely going to work for us. I also love how the cable wraps around the base. As you can see, easy storage, nothing is going to be falling out. I love that. So let's put it all together. As you can see, we have the nozzle right here. One end connects to the brushes, the other end connects to the actual device. So let me connect that and plug that in to show you guys what it looks like. You're going to see that there's so many different attachments, different types of brushes, and when you pull that back, all the fur is going to fall right here where it vacuums it all up. They also have this one that is great for detangling. Max absolutely needs that one. He gets so many tangles. And there's always so many different ones, including nozzles to clean up afterwards. And my favorite part is that it also comes with a trimmer and of course all the needed attachments for it, including 9mm, 12, 3, 6, everything in between. So you get everything you need at once. I definitely recommend this product. I've tried this brand before and I have to say I am incredibly impressed with their products. They are incredible and I definitely love putting them to the test with my dog Max. He has so much fur and he definitely needs to be brushed at least once a day. This way it makes it feel so easy to brush him. I can just do it and throw all the fur out. There is no hassle. Everything gets vacuumed up and it is so easy. I definitely recommend you guys to check it out. They have a smaller version as well if you don't need one this big, but if you have a big dog like me, you're definitely gonna want the bigger tank. Trust me, the other one gets filled so fast with my big dog, and it works for my cats as well. I absolutely adore this and I definitely will tell you guys to get it. It's going to make your life 100 times easier.